ASP.NET Development. What is ASP.NET? ASP.NET is a framework for developing web projects that was created by Microsoft, but later moved to the category of open source projects. ASP.NET development is usually carried out using the C# language, which makes it possible to use the full power of the .NET framework, including asynchrony, multithreading, schedulers, etc., as well as to use a huge number of ready-made libraries and solutions from public repositories, for example, Nugget, etc. The ASP.NET framework generates clean code and conforms to markup standards, resulting in a compact and responsive website page. ASP.NET features. The main differences and advantages of the framework are the ability to quickly develop complex projects, the absence of any restrictions in the choice of DBMS, in the construction of any business logic of the site, routing rules, etc. Architecturally, the framework provides for the division of responsibility between different parts of the project, front-end, back-end, database, which allows you to effectively use team development and get a project with high-quality code at the output, which is easy to maintain and develop later. For a hosting site on ASP.NET, you should use hosting based on Windows or Microsoft Azure Cloud. ASP.NET MVC is not limited in choosing DBSM for a site. It works with any version of MS-SQL, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, etc. The powerful C# backend language adds unlimited possibilities of the .NET framework and allows you to build internal non-standard logic of any complexity. The Razor HTML markup language allows you to build and flexibly fill pages with any set of data and control forms, maintaining the ideology of minimalism and flexible customization. The C# language is a compliant language which gives a noticeable boost in site performance. The framework has a built-in Web API interface, which is used to develop flexible, RESTful APIs on the basis of which distributed applications are built, and the integration of external applications with the site. When to use ASP.NET? You should pay attention to this platform if the site uses special logic and non-standard forms of management, high performance is required, you need rapid development using a team approach. Maintenance of the site on ASP.NET. ASP.NET is demanding on the qualification of programmers. At the same time, service from managers and sellers does not require additional training. So, if you want to deal with the right ones, contact us right now.